AI-assisted itinerary creation, to group chats, to splitting expenses, Travereel has it all. And to walk us through how the platform works and what makes it unique, let's all welcome and give her a big, big round of applause, Product Manager, Miss Mayra Gallardo. Hi, good morning, Miss Mayra.
Hi, good morning everyone. Do we have may energy ba tayo for this morning? It's a full day of events, so I'm hoping everybody is ready and you have your coffee, water, whichever you need. So basically, again, my name is Mayra and I'm from Team Travereel, and we will be doing a walkthrough of the new and improved Travereel app. So, let's start. Okay, so essentially everyone here, I know we use a lot of apps, diba? Going into travel, you have your social media apps, you have your messaging apps, and you have your budget trackers, right? So essentially, travelers use at least 5 to 7 apps. So papasok dyan yung searching and discovery of destination interest, coordination with friends and family, as well as building itineraries, shared expenses, and of course booking hotels and flights. Okay, so what if, just a question, what if one platform can do it all, right? That's basically the reason why we want to solve this issue when it comes to travel. So Travereel solves all of these: itinerary building, trip planning, invitation, exclusive travel group chat, AI travel consultant. In this day and age, I think we all use AI one way or another, and that is well incorporated in our Travereel app. Of course, you have your checklist for those who are very OC on what to plan, and important logs of your flights, hotel bookings, and yung number one, which we all call KKB, kanya-kanyang bayad, if you guys are familiar, of course. Split costs. So we have that as well. So, let's experience the difference of travel, or let's experience the difference together, okay? Ayan. So there are actually 2 ways on how you can plan your travel on the app. So I want to make sure everyone has their own app and you've already logged in. You have your group leaders, each group. Very redundant yun, but you know what I mean. So make sure you guys have the app on your phone. So the first thing that you can actually do is plan a trip easily using AI. So I encourage you guys to do this while we're doing the product presentation, but essentially, you can enter your destination under trips, after which you can add the travel dates, number of travelers, so how many are like your friends and your family, and then budget and trip goals. Is anyone familiar with dating apps? Wala? Oh, okay, sige, good for you, because I'm very much familiar with the dating app. So for dating apps, you do is swipe left and right, correct? So we have incorporated that bit into our Travereel app to enjoy basically swiping through popular destinations depending on where you're traveling. Okay, so you just have to swipe right if it's a yay, and then you can actually also skip that certain activity or destination, and you can swipe left for now. And that's it. Basically, the AI agent plans it for you. Alright, so we can try it actually. So if you guys have your phones with you, let's create a 4-day 3 nights itinerary in any Asian countries. If I can request the group leaders please to help out, or our moderators to look into the app. Ayan, so you can pick any country. So Thailand, Vietnam, any Asian country. Make sure to do a screen record of you planning the itinerary, and the first 2 participants who would get it done, you will win a prize, which is a trip to Intramuros, no? You'll know later, it's a secret, but basically you will win a prize if you finish it for the first 2. Sige, we'll give you a minute or 2.
I have a question.
Yes!
Lahat ng travel destinations na dito?
Lahat ng travel,
Or mga partners nyo lang?
lahat ng travel destinations in terms of activities. Yes, activities. As long as you put basically the itinerary is built for you to locate certain activities within the country or destination you're going to. So AI finds it for you. So if you're referring to hotels, that's a different, it's a different segment. But we have that as well, which you'll know once you go through that.
I'm just wondering if wala pang nag-list up kasi ang ganda niyang reference eh.
Yes, that's basically the
Trust na lang
goal.
ako sa kanya. But
Yeah. You can actually, well, I'll show you later the manual entry
Galing ah.
of the itinerary also. Do you have another question? Sorry. Right. So here's the second way to build your itinerary on the platform. So manual itinerary builder. So you can definitely build the way you want your trips to go. So we've all done our research. This is beyond AI. These are like vision boards, mood boards from years ago, or basically last week. So essentially what Travereel can do is that you can just input your travel details and places to go. That's it. And a thing that Travereel solves in terms of our manual itinerary builder. Next slide, please. So the manual itinerary builder gives you the flexibility to rearrange stops anytime. Okay, so if you are basically, you already have your plan, you already have your roadmap, you can just put it or input it on the app, and that's it. It optimizes the route by using the map as well. So if you will look into the itinerary on your app, on your phone, there's like a built-in map, and whenever you customize a certain activity or location, it updates real time. So you'll see how the route should look like once you do build your manual itinerary. Okay, so for today's trip, this is what we're gonna be doing. So it is an Intramuros and Binondo tour. Your group leaders have already built this inside the app. So they've already done it. Oh, okay, sorry. So basically, now that the group leaders are going to be able to create the itinerary on the app. So if you'll see here, we have Intramuros and Binondo. So we're currently at 9 spoons. So we want to make sure the group leaders were able to build
Sa hotel
this
nagpunta para
on the app.
gagawa ng itinerary. Sa hotel.
Do you guys know who your group leaders are in each table? Yes.
Tapos,
Okay,
hotel ba? Hotel?
next please.
Three?
Ayan, so this is just a simple walkthrough. If you've already downloaded the app, you would basically go through the process of adding in your destination, adding in the number of members, so basically the people that you are going to be traveling with, and then the budget as well. So this is something that you guys can also add as a joiner, since your group leaders are the admin of the itinerary. Next, please. Okay, the good thing, or basically one of the things that we're proud of, is if you are a joiner, if you are a joiner of a certain itinerary that was made by your group admin, in this situation, your group leaders, you can still build your own personal itinerary. Let's say you don't really like to go to, I don't know, a certain location. You can change that and add your side trip to it. All you have to do is click on personal. You'll be seeing this on the app, it's very easy. And then there's this notepad with a pen button, you just have to click. And then you can change that certain location or activity for you. And then just update the team or update your friends on the group chat that you will not be joining this certain activity. So transparency across all is also something that we are pushing forth in the Travereel app. Now this is where it gets a bit exciting now. Sometimes we really don't want to think. Yeah? So Travereel is equipped with our AI technology. We call her Vicky. Vicky is smart, Vicky is sexy, Vicky is savvy. Okay? So essentially, Vicky, you can ask her for destinations, discover hidden gems, get travel tips, and of course, you can share it in the group chat. So I think I need a little bit of help with this one. So Miss Val, can you help me with explaining further si Vicky?
Yes, sige. So say hi to Vicky. Pero FYI, we have a real Vicky, inspired by the AI Vicky. See Miss Vicky over there wearing a yellow jacket. Say hi to her. Hello. Diba? Smart, sassy, and sexy nga daw, sabi ni Miss Mera. So, this is your AI gent, travel AI gent Vicky. And now, I I have a small challenge for each of our groups. No? So as I mentioned earlier, each group has already created an itinerary using the Travereel app. So we're going to make things even more exciting by adding a stop, a pasalubong stop. Diba? Kasi alam niyo mga Pinoy, hindi complete ang travel if walang pasalubong to their family and friends. So, each group, you will use the AI chat to check kung saan yung pasalubong stop ng bawat group, okay? So because the AI Vicky can suggest you mga restaurants, hidden gems, and even the best pasalubong spots. So I will be giving a clue to each group, and each group will answer the question by choosing the correct place from the options that Vicky has provided in the app. So once your group selects the correct answer, we will include that in the itinerary. Alright, is everyone ready? Yes?
Ready.
Yes, alright. Let's start with group 1. Hi, group 1. Hello? Okay, you can go to the AI chat bot. Okay. And then here is your clue. This Binondo favorite is famous for the jumbo siopaw, a must-try for anyone visiting Chinatown. Many locals consider it one of the most iconic snacks in the area. So Group 1, please check the options provided by Vicky in the Travereel app and tell us which place is known for the jumbo siopaw.
Trip?
Jumbo siopaw.
Wala na trip pa rin.
Actually, FYI, I was born and raised in Binondo. So, check ko kung tama yung sinabi ni Vicky. Alright, what's the answer? Mamulok, okay din siya. Yes, okay. But maybe there are other options as well. Masuki, pwede rin. This is Valerie, pero kailangan ko isagot ni Vicky. What did you say? One Key Bakery is correct. Okay, pwede isama na natin sa itinerary for the pasalubong stop for Group 1, alright? Excited na ako dyan sa One Key Bakery's Jumbo Siopaw. This bakery is known for its unique pastries, particularly their butter rice cake and jade buns, which are popular among locals. From the options provided by Vicky, which place is this? Bakery known for unique pastries, particularly their butter rice cake and jade buns. Cookie Bakery, correct! Sige, sasama natin yan sa pasalubong stop niya. Alright, Group 4, thank you. Okay, let's go to Group 2 or 3. Are you ready? Sige, sir na. Okay, hello. Ready na with your AI chat? Sige. Add ka muna. Let's go to Group 2.
Naka-geo, ano na siya? Meron na siya lalabas siya automatic daily. Ayun, tapos ano yung nalagay ko sa notes dito?
So for the other people, you can continue getting food from our brunch buffet because we have a long day ahead. We need all the energy we can get for our curated Intramuros Binondo Heritage Tour. Group 3 is ready. Okay, sir, you've added everyone already? Yeah. Okay, alright. So, ready na for the question for Vicky. Okay, the clue. This is probably one of the most famous pasalubong shops in Binondo, known for their wide variety of hopia flavors that people bring home for family and friends. What is it? MVP is correct. Yeah. For Group 3, please add that as your pasalubong stop. Oh, mapapakain ng hopia later. Go to AI chat, Vicky.
Paano yun?
Spot is known for their milky bicho-bicho. It's a sweet, fluffy treat that many people line up for when visiting Binondo. What is it? Sabi ni Vicky. Actually, favorite ko yan.
Generation.
Milky bicho-bicho.
Yung ano?
Ang sarap-sarap
Lagi mo
yan.
pinupuntahan.
Lagi ko itong pinupuntahan.
Si Kun!
Si Kun is correct! Yes. Ipasok niya yan as a pasalubong stop, alright? Okay. So give yourselves a big round of applause naman. We added na our pasalubong for each group.
So we don't actually stop here. We have more in store. Just a couple of minutes na lang guys before we go into our tour. Next slide.
Ano lagay yung Orange Magazine?
Everyone here is part of a group chat. And it's quite, it's often that you get seen or read, or people will pretend na hindi nila nabasa yung sinabi mo, but essentially you were a notification sa isang araw ng pag-chat. So basically in planning vacations, right? So there are questions, where are we staying? We booked, or who booked the hotel or which hotel? How much do I owe? Or can someone share the itinerary? So, next slide please. So, sorry, go back. Thank you. Okay, so essentially, our itineraries are built with group chats. So again, this is transparency across, diba? All planning. From hotel bookings, flight information, next stop, budget. And in line with this one, sorry, go to the next slide. We have split costs. Okay, this is very, very important. Yeah, so uso dito, or it's very popular, you either spot for a certain hotel booking or a certain like food item. So with split cost, managing group expenses doesn't really have to be complicated. Okay, you don't have to jot down each expense in a notes app. We have Travereel for that. So you can track shared trip expenses here. It automatically splits cost among participants or among friends. And then you get to see who paid and then who owes. And then you keep trip finances transparent for everyone. So if you are an avid user of spreadsheets, which I am an avid user of that, I basically just use our app to split costs whenever we travel. So there's actually a couple of ways you can do this. So the cost you can split equally or unequally. So you will get to see that later in the tour. You'll be able to do that, so you guys can experience how you can split your costs on the Travereel app. Next, please. Okay, one of the things that are very crucial to travel, of course, traveling internationally or domestic, you have to have your flight information. So you just have to input your flight details on the app. We have that feature as well. You get to see that when you were building your itinerary. Input flight details, track departure and arrival schedule. Again, transparency is key, right? So this is no more hassle, no more chaos. All the information are there for you. Next, please. And of course, we go back to the core reason why Travereel was made is to make sure that your hotel stays are booked. So you can book your hotel while you're building the itinerary or even while you're looking at the activities that you're doing. The app is made to find the best hotel that's near your activities within the itinerary. So you can browse available hotels and stays, view options near your planned activities like I said, and of course check availability and pricing. So we have across the platform 3 million accommodations worldwide. And one more thing is the checklist. So again, for those people who are very much into planning and putting everything on a reminders app, Travereel has that. You have your group checklist and you also have your personal checklist. So you can create and manage checklists, track packing and preparation tasks, and you can stay organized before and during the trip. So for overall, an admin can change or add what's necessary on the checklist for the group. And ikaw as a joiner, you can add in, let's say, anything that you need, from medication to, just an extra cute pair of shoes to walk around. So everything you need, all on the app. Next, please. Basically, what we want here is we want to put your travel idea to reality. That's how we built the app. You will travel smarter, remove the chaos, remove the stress. That's basically how Travereel is built. And we're very excited for you guys to explore the app and have fun with us in touring Intramuros and Binondo. And overall, that's it. I hope everyone was able to digest the information on the app, but we're very much excited for you guys to experience today. So thank you, have fun, see you later. Thanks guys.